Senator Chis Escudero did file a case, disbarment, before the Supreme Court against lawyer Jesus Falsis III. That's for alleged violation of the Code of Professional Responsibility, which governs the conduct of attorneys, including their online presence. In his post, Falsis called Escudero shameless, the worst Senate president in history, and, quote, even bulok na keso. Let's bring in Attorney Jess Falsis himself. Welcome back to The Big Story, Attorney Jess. So, ikaw ang unang nasampulan ni dating Senate President Chis Escudero.
Good evening, ladies. Good evening sa lahat ng mga nakikinig. Ang unang tanong ko lang dyan, mga ladies, no, bakit ako yung nauna? So, is it because I'm a small person na kayang-kaya niyang tirahin? Because if he's talking about his accusers, I am not an accuser. Mga ladies, no, mga ma'am and sir, I am not an accuser. I am a commentary analyst. Nagpo-post ako commentating on the news. If you will canvass my Facebook page or any of my social media platforms, which is Facebook and Twitter, where I post my commentaries, I usually and will always try to post a balita to react on. Yung caption ko will just be my own commentary, my own opinion on what is being reported. So for example, yung mga 142 billion budget insertion, hindi naman ako ang nag-accuse niyan, mga ladies, no? It was Politico PH that first reported that, or other news outlets, no, online or TV channels. It was not me. And then yung sa Senate hearing, hindi naman ako ang nag-accuse ng 160 million na kickback. It was Yusek Roberto Bernardo. So bakit hindi niya kinasuhan kagad ng perjury or ng libel si Roberto Bernardo? At bakit disbarment ang kaso sa akin? Bakit hindi cyber libel kung talagang nakakasira sa reputation niya yon?